Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. In the previous video, my dear students, we have discussed the exercises of lesson 8 China silk, and we have solved in the previous video ponder here, which is also shown on your screen right now. Here we found the name of these insects which is shown on your screen, and we have done it in the previous video, and I hope you all have also done in your textbook. I hope so. And after that we have also discussed about the perfect vocabulary. Here first one is about add the missing vowels to complete these words, and we have also solved it. First one is meet, second one is grade, third one is friend, fourth one is break, fifth one is leave, and sixth one is easy. I hope you all have done these missing vowels at your home and in your textbook also. Now B1, here 6 words in this paragraph have been spelled wrong. Circle them and rewrite them correctly. In the previous video I have also done it. I hope you have also done in your textbook. After that we have done the uses of and but in the grammar portion, which is given on page number 66 as well as on page number 67. Before going to solve, use and or but to join the pair of the sentences which is given on page number 67. I am going to read these sentences again for you all. First one is, we went for a picnic, we enjoyed ourselves. So my dear students, we can also write the above sentence like this: we went for a picnic and enjoyed ourselves. The second sentence is, John tried to reach the shelf, it was too high. And we can also write by using the conjunction but. John tried to reach the shelf but it was too high. It was too high. So my dear students, we know that and is used when we expect the second part to follow the first part. In the previous video also we have discussed it, and now in this video I am going to give you the answers of A, that is use and on or but to use this pair of sentences, as well as B, filling the blanks with or so. In the previous video I have solved these and I have also given you the homework to do. I hope you all have done. If you have not done it, please watch this video and do it in your textbook. Now we are going to start. Now second thing, the conjunction be is used when we want to show contrast between two ideas. We have also discussed this one, but now I am going to give you the answer of use and or but to join these pair of sentences. Now let's have a look. Here I have given you homework. This one, use and or but to join these pair of sentences. My dear students, I have underlined here so you can recognize it easily. Your first one is, the road was slippery, the bus was late. We can also write like this: the road was slippery and the bus was late. Here I am written here clearly so you can understand easily. Now, second one is she spoke softly. I could hear her. I could hear her. So your answer is she spoke softly, but I could hear her. Here the conjunction used here, but I have underlined the conjunction here and but. You can see on your screen. Now the third one is it was growing dark. He could see the road. It was growing dark. He could see the road. Here, my dear students, we are going to use but. The conjunction but. It was growing dark, but he could see the road. When we use but, when we use but, we know that we want to show contrast between two ideas. That first one is it was growing dark and second one is he could see the road. There is a two ideas. That first one, it was growing dark but he could see the road. Now the next one is fourth one, Meena can play the sitar. She sings as well. Here my dear students, your answer is Meena can play the sitar and conjunction and she sings as well. When we used and when we expect the second part to follow the first part. Here in the same way that Meena can play the sitar and the second part is she sings as well. She sings as well. That's why we used here conjunction and. Now the fifth one is the thunder was loud. The thunder was loud. It was difficult to sleep. Difficult to sleep. So your answer is the thunder was loud. Now we are going to use conjunction and. We know that when we used and we expect the second part to follow the first part. So here you can see the thunder was loud and it was difficult to sleep. It was difficult to sleep because the thunder was loud. The thunder was loud and it was difficult to sleep here. Now the next one is sixth one. Abhay is not very tall. Abhay is not very tall. He is a good runner. He is a good runner. So now we are going to use here the conjunction but, because here the two ideas is given. That the first one Abhay is, there is a two contrasts that Abhay is not tall, not very tall, but he is a good runner. He is a good runner. Abhay is not very tall, but he is a good runner. Here now we have completed our homework. Please do it in your textbook as well as in your notebook too. Now come to the page number 67. Now we are going to solve the conjunction or so. Now here we are going to know when we used the conjunction or and so. Now let's start. The conjunction or is used to suggest that out of two or more choices only one is possible. My dear students, we have also discussed the same thing in the previous video. Also please go and watch that video. Now for example, you can have a tea or coffee. There is a two choices that you can have tea or coffee. Now second, you can work hard or you can fail. Now the second conjunction is so. The conjunction so is used to show the outcome of something. For example, he was very hungry. He was very hungry, so he ate all the cake. So he ate all the cake. Here we used the conjunction so. We used conjunction so to show the outcomes of something. Here we know that he was very hungry, so he ate all the cake. Here the outcome is so he can eat all the cake. Now last example, they played well, so they won. They played well, so they won. Here you can also see that shows the outcome that they played very well, very good. That's why so they won. Now come to the filling the blanks with or so. Now we are going to solve it again. Please do this exercise which is given on page number 67 in your textbook too. I hope you all will do. Now first one is, I have to finish my homework, so I cannot come out to play. Here you know that so is used. That first one is, I have to finish my homework, and it shows that if he will not finish his homework, he cannot go out to play. So that's why here I have to finish my homework, so I cannot come out to play. Now the second one is the capital of England London or New York? Here is two more choices, that one is London and another one is New York. Is the capital of England London or New York? Here is the two choices. Now the third one, it is a new house or an old house. It is also here you can see choices are there. It is new or old. It is new or an old house. So here we use conjunction or. Now come to the fourth one. I will study hard so I can get good marks. I will study hard so I can get good marks. Here we used so, that it shows that outcome of something, that he can get good marks. So I can get good marks. Fifth one, he was late so he missed the bus. He was late so he missed the bus. Here we use so. Now the last one, listen carefully. We can take the train or fly to Mumbai. Here choices are given. We can take the train. We can take the train or fly to Mumbai. Whether you are going to take the train or to fly to Mumbai. So here choices are given. That's why we have used here the conjunction or. Now my dear students, we have completed the all exercise, and it is also given there the perfect vocabulary in chapter 8, in lesson 8, China silk. We have done all the exercises one by one. Please do it in your textbook also. First one is ponder, second one perfect vocabulary. That first one is add the missing vowel to complete this word. I have given all the answers of your exercises and grammar portion also. I have also given you the use and or but to join this pair of sentences. This one is solved one. You can write it down in your notebook too. And next thing, we have also solved here filling the blanks with or so. I hope you all will do your exercise in your textbook, as well as you will also note it down in your notebook. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. God bless you.